jungle sometimes reminded me of a theater. There was never a lack of actors for the continuous drama of wildlife that went on all around me. My business of bringing them back alive often gave me a front seat in these exciting performances, but I never really enjoyed them. Animals like the python and the tiger were typical of the code of fang and claw. They ruled wherever they roamed, and big as it was, the jungle wasn't big enough to hold them both. If these two jungle dictators were going to meet and discuss their territorial rights, Ollie and I wanted to be strictly neutral, and we had a 30-30 rifle to reinforce our neutrality. Looked to me as if the tiger had the best of it so far, and he seemed to be determined to follow up his advantage. But that python is not finished yet. Python tried to toss another coil over the big cat and lost his grip and his victim. I guess the tiger felt that he needed a drink after that, and he wasn't the only one.